Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to find out on which time and date a file or folder is deleted, moved, copied, renamed in Samsung. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly just open the My Files application and now just click on these three dot icons. Now click on this settings. Now just click on this About My Files. Now just keep tapping on this My Files. Now you can see enable My Files left. Now just move back and close this My Files application, and after closing it completely just reopen this My Files application and once again click on these three dot icons, click on settings. Now scroll down below. Now you'll see here one new option, My Files Labs. Just click on it. Now just click on this developer options. Now here you will see file operation history. Just click on it and now you will see all the files or folders when it is being deleted. So you can see here the date and time when it is deleted. So you can see on the right side deleted, some are copied, and you can see the items is the files and folder is 0. That means it's showing about the file. So you can see clearly some are moved, some are renamed, some are deleted. So by using these cool tricks you can easily find out on which time and date a file or folder is deleted, moved, copied, renamed in Samsung very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.